friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all of the projects that I made in March. And this month I did not make nearly as much as usual, the same as last month. And that's because my main priority has been to declutter my craft room and reorganize it. So I've been filming a lot of decluttering my craft room videos, and I'm very excited to keep editing and sharing those with you. And I'm going to be so happy with my craft space afterwards. It's going to be a lot easier to create stuff. But I did manage to make some stuff in March despite all the chaos in my craft room. And I'm going to share all of those projects with you today. So the first thing that I made was this double-page Traveler's Notebook spread. And this was for my Citrus Twist Kit design team obligations. And I really like this layout. It's a picture of my friend and I on a lake day that we had. We went paddle boarding, and it's a really cute page there. Originally, I made it as an 8x8 layout, but I was able to cut it down the middle and make it fit in my Traveler's Notebook, which is awesome. And this is my Little Summer Joy Traveler's Notebook. So I started this to document various summer adventures throughout various years. And I've literally had this notebook with this title in it sitting in my craft room for years now, and I haven't put a single layout in it. So to finally get started on that was really fun, and I'm glad I did that, and I can't wait to fill it up in the future. Then we have my Traveler's Notebook of my kitten and I made 2 layouts in this month, also using my Citrus Twist kits, and this is one of the layouts that I made. There will be a process video for this one on my channel. There is a process video for this one on my channel, and it's super simple. Obviously, I still have to do the other page, but I managed to make one page right here. And I love it. I love these warm colors. I'm really vibing with like tan and pink right now. Pink is a usual thing, but I usually don't like tans. So this was out of my usual style, and I really like how it turned out. And then the other Traveler's Notebook page that I made documenting my cat was this one, and it's got this really fun pull-out tag here. And there is a process video for this one on my channel as well, so make sure to check that out if you're interested in all of the fun Traveler's Notebook stuff. And then I had this 8x8 layout for my Bunnies album, and really love this. And I had already started this page in a previous month. I had laid down this wood grain background, and I put down the title Bunny Mom because I was trying to use up the rest of a thicker pack that I had. And so this month what I did is I actually found a picture, added a doily, added journaling washi tape, added all of these fussy cut florals and the doodle border, and finished off the layout that I had started. So most of the work happened this month, and I don't think I've showed this previously when it only had the mat and the title. So I figured I would share that with you now. And this layout, I super love it. Again, it's got like the tannish pink flowers, a little bit different than my usual. I also don't use wood grain a whole lot, but I'm loving the warm tones right now, and this layout is so cute. I just love my little bunny. He's adorable. For traditional scrapbooking layouts here, I did not do any 12x12 this month, I don't think, unless I'm missing some somewhere, which is entirely a possibility with the state of my craft room being reorganized right now. But I did make 2 8.5x11 layouts, and these were using my Wild Hair kits in March. And I love this layout. This is one of my favorites I've ever made with all the rosettes. There is a process video for this one on my page, so if you want to check out all the paint splatter details and all the gold foil floral accents and the rosettes, I also have a video, a separate video on how to make these paper rosettes. So all that awesomeness can be found on my channel. And then the other 8.5x11 layout that I made this month was this one, which will go in the same scrapbook here. And really love this. This is documenting us going to a wedding, and it's got the nice paper border, and love this title so much. And all the layering bits and bobs. So there's a process video for this layout on my channel as well. And as you can see, it's pretty sparse making for the month of March. I've got two 8.5 by 11 layouts. I've got one 8 by 8 layout, one double page spread in a traveler's notebook, and then two single page spreads in a traveler's notebook. So a lot less than what I usually make in a month, but I have made so much progress in my craft room and I've been decluttering like crazy. I have so many videos to edit and share with you guys. I can't wait. And I hope you are excited for the series of decluttering my craft room and then the makeover at the end. I hope you're excited to see that, and I hope you are enjoying the projects that I am making in the meantime. And don't worry, I will be back to full force making soon. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and enjoyed seeing all the projects that I made in March. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite project was that I made this month. And subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. There should be like a red button down here or down here somewhere. Subscribe, and that way you'll see all the projects that I share in the future. If you want to get crafty with me, I'll link my crafty e-courses down below. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.